Those boats are out there in force today, aren't they?
Yeah, they say you can see all the mountains, mountains.
Now those the boats.
Jefferson, Mount Rainier, Mount St. Helens, and Mount Hood.
Those boats are out there in force today.
It's Saturday, man.
Well, let's see. Those aren't. That, okay, that's the port of Portland. Yeah, that's not those. That looks like that port.
My God. My God.
Did you see those guys at the parade with those big old humongous signs, and they were from a church, I found out. Had some scripture verses on them.
No, I didn't see that.
Okay. As I was coming along, of course I spotted those signs, and then I noticed that the police were over there talking to the young men. You know, they had, must have been a half a dozen young men and children with them, and these were large signs, and I went over, of course. I was curious as to what they were doing, and
The police may have been saying they didn't want to.
that's right. They told them it was against an ordinance to have large signs like that, and that they would have to move them, take them down, or something, or they would be cited for it. And they had to, well, they were able to, you know, dismantle those signs. They were real sturdy types. They must do that a lot.
Yeah, but everyone, there were a lot of people doing things.
Well, these were big, yeah, but and this was what those guys were saying. They said last year said the Queer Nation had big old signs and said they didn't bother them.
Yeah, well, that's why double standard, because
yeah. But I didn't see any signs other than those, other than the little blazer sign. Well, I would have thought that those, kind of good, I guess. They can see it.
Hey, Patrick.
Patrick!
Well, those others must be prominent like that. And you just can't see.
Well, we have a conversation. We need to.
Nearer, my God, to thee. Nearer, my God, to thee. Da, 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 da. My God, to thee, nearer, my God, to thee, this be my gate lodge.
This would have been a nice little hideaway in its day, wouldn't it?
Lord, even today, huh? I wouldn't mind retiring. I wouldn't mind retiring right there.
Little hideaway.
Your little hideaway.
And I'd have my little driving range over there to see if I could hit those balls out there into the Columbia.
I want to go out and look in the windows at the mansion. I just sit in. said, "You got me walking all over there."
Well, I'll tell you one thing, that bush right there has a proliferation of roses, doesn't it?
That's healthy, aren't they?
You know, that bunch right there, look at it, got about maybe, it looks like about 8 right there in that one section. And they got the different colors.
I noticed a bush or whatever out up at that Rose place.
She wants to go peek in the window.
Yeah, well, I'll go in down here. I'm not really happy about this ride.
Well, they really don't have that much to diddle with.
No, but what they do is really...
Yeah. Yeah. Well, there they got my music stand I've been looking for.
You didn't want one like that.
Well, I didn't want to order a new one. I'm gonna find one of these days at a second. I'm gonna find one of these days at a second-hand store.
No.
Well, I'm sure that they had the purple ones in there probably early on, or maybe, and then they had to replace them or something. I know one thing, I bet you they played Havoc getting up here in the snow. Hey, there she is, the most beautiful thing in the world. Here's Mr. Joe V himself. Look at that good-looking man. That's Columbia River over there.
That mountain. The snow-covered one. Where is it? I see it and then I don't see it.
Oh, there it is over here. There's one.
Where?
Now this is St. Helen there.
I was looking. I thought that the thing was, yeah, the
now
flat top.
Yeah, that's St. Helen there.
Yeah.
I don't think you're going to be able to see Mount Hood.
Good, yeah. Now that's what I was...
I don't think you're going to be able to see it.
I looked at that one. I said, I don't believe that's St. Helen. I mean, I don't believe that's here.
No. I think if you went up a little bit further... What a piece of real estate, huh?
The guy said that a holding company had this property, and that, you know, inflation hit, you know, prices just went zooming, and that holding company did not have the money to do, they were going to put some real top scale condos up here, and they couldn't do it, they couldn't hold on to it for some reason or other, and they were able to.
Well, the finance charge on something like that can kill you.
Ooh, yeah. But he said they built this thing, you know, paid for it as they built it.
Oh, yeah.
Finally, in the later stage, he did say that they issued some bonds.
Oh, okay. Well, I know that's been a big thing with these churches like this. A lot of them get into so much financial trouble. But the church here in Texas, they continually, there's a sort of a sister church of it. They continually have a principle that they will not go into debt. If they don't have the money,
won't go into debt. Well, you know, I just came away with the conclusion that this type of organization just can't be all bad. I saw that they're taking part in that Billy Graham crusade.
I noticed that too. Did you see that?
I saw the note in there. They were.
I had a big poster where they're inviting, and they're trying to find counselors here to go to it.
Yeah.
Bible Temple, Portland, Oregon.
Thank y'all for the opportunity to come out here to this thing. Is that my tablet of the few little notes?
No, it's in the back. Here we are in the wonderful city of Seattle.
There you go, take that. That'd be nice.
I just flipping it on autofocus, so that should make a difference.
Garlic free restaurant.
What'd you say, brother?
Garlic free. I thought it said garlic free.
Smells good, don't it? Whew.
We'll ask a couple indigenous people.
What's wrong, Shandy? What's wrong with her, Francis? What's wrong, Shandy? What's wrong?
Oh, get that little girl crying.
Okay, he's not. It's good. He's not taking no picture of you crying. He's not.
You're on candy camera. You better be sweet. I'll send this to Santa Claus.
Oh, he's going to send Santa Claus. That'll be... Oh, man. You better be nice.
In the wonders of his love. In the wonders of his love. In the wonders.
Don't cry now. We're going by there. We're going back down the hill now in a few minutes.
For as the Christmas.
Signs there, you get a ferry in your picture.
Oh man. So that's a ferry going on, eh?
Well, we got to go fight
There's Santa Claus right there. He's left a lot of weight.
Who's that?
That guy there, his hair looked like Santa Claus. And the wonders of his love. And the wonders of... Put your cam for a second. I'm just going to let it run.
Here she comes, Granny.
And the wonders of his love.
Uh-oh.
What's happening?
Her leg is getting tired.
What's wrong with her?
She's
and the wonders of...
The water. Go down here. Yeah. I don't care.
Well, they got some interesting aromas.
Yeah, the bathroom's down here on the left. Next corner.
You did good.
You got whole grandma?
You're better after I see you. We have to wait
They paid for one of their blocks. 25 bucks or so. Here we are at the famous public market of Seattle, Washington.
Okay.
You can't smell it, but that smells mighty fishy. Mighty fishy. bucks. Don't let them get too far away. Excuse me.
That's 8-track, right?
Joe would like that senior citizen $5.